I was interested in law and stuff, but it wasn't really something that I was willing to pursue. Like, I was looking towards other things, but after this camp, it was something that I'm like, yeah, like, that's pretty cool.
I was interested in camp because I really have no idea what I want to do, so I wanted to learn more about law.
To experience and just enjoy the legal profession, and hopefully coming back for a wonderful 4 years here at Florence campus.
I just wanted to get involved with the camp because I have no idea what I want to do with my life, and I thought I should probably start to figure out. So I thought this would help expand my horizons and see if law is something I want to do, and it definitely is.